dude, you're putting too much pressure on yourself and it's sabotaging your results. This is one of those counterintuitive principles of success because, you know, we're taught growing up, like, if you want something, you gotta focus on it, you gotta stress about it, you gotta focus on every detail. It's gotta be perfect, you gotta be the best, compete. And, you know, there are some true principles in there, but I want you to know what this does to your ability to perform when you have all this pressure on yourself. So when you put a bunch of pressure on yourself, when you feel like, you know, you are almost hypercritical of yourself and everything needs to be perfect and you're constantly comparing yourself to make sure that everything is right. When you do that, you really put yourself into a reactive state. You put yourself into a reactive state. And when you are reactive, your mind goes reactive. Your mind, your fear centers start triggering in your mind, your hormonal infrastructure changes, your neurotransmitters change, and literally your body feels threatened. And when our body feels threatened, we feel very unsafe. When we feel very unsafe, we tend to rely on the past to try to predict the future. When we feel unsafe, that's what we do. And so when we put on this pressure on ourselves to try to create new results, the pressure sends us into a stressed out mode that makes us feel unsafe. And when we feel unsafe, our brain prioritizes old habits, old performance systems. And so the pressure to achieve new results makes us rely on old systems that typically sabotage ourselves to create old results. So this is a counterintuitive principle because, yeah, I'm saying take the pressure off, dude. Like, you're exactly where you need to be in your life and in your business. Like, your skill set is yours on purpose. You're in the craft of perfecting yourself. There is no end goal. Like, you are in this, you're in this life to consistently evolve, have fun, fuck up, and learn from it. Like, that's why you're here. So when you take the pressure off, you're not gonna turn into this lazy piece of shit. What's gonna happen is you are going to allow your body to feel safe. And when your body feels safe, your brain can work creatively instead of reactively. When your brain can work creatively, you can access new levels of performance to get new shit done, increase your productivity, and hit your goals quicker.